Tangela, Siema, Apolis, Mfukeng will be the key players. And in the plum, Chiefs is aware if planning on Mfukeng, which is on Makwamyan.
That's how much Nandaba and Mfukeng on.
Anandaba. There is no team in PSL that does
the least of our problems. Maybe not that in Jomuti Hospital or Police.
You can convince yourselves. You can say that, but deep down you know, Gutumaulala will scream Mfukeng is your nightmare. Is your nightmare.
He has never been a nightmare.
And he's never been against Chiefs.
No winner, a penalty will let that
be. After 7 days,
wait, what do you think will be key for Kaizer Chiefs?
3 people. Actually, let me name these 3. Peterson is back. Ox is back. Silva is on form. You're pairing our Ox, no Mabue, or really you've killed in midfield Pirates. If you have those two, Ox, no Mabue, I'm about stint. Those two, the whole media Pirates does not. I'm TNT Ox no Mabue.
Yeah.
The whole media. Slow. Take Ox umfakela ufaka uMabue ufaka whether umdu phambi kwabo whether ufaka umfundo phambi kwabo ufaka uDaling Chislet phambi kwabo, it does not matter as long as you have these two.
Chislet and Spanner
is as long as you have these two Ox no Mabue, iphatha into ezoyidlala.